so tujiche. Tene ya iwon la inda trashi deleg iwon la. Iwon la kong su
Sidele không
re.
Michael Jordan re
Alele laso. Ni kong kane re.
không không li
Ari, Ari.
Ari ne
Yeah,
re
well, kong Ari ne re. Ari, America. Rwa. Well, kong trashi marbe.
mà re không
Mare.
không không something mà re I cannot repeat
Trashi, trashi.
không không Tashi mà re
Kong trashi mare. Kong Michael Jordan race. Rwa. Well, tujiche iwon la. Well, lo song. Ya, tene. Ro imogen la inda. Imogen la. Imogen la trashi deleg. Imogen la kong pure pumure. Kong pure pumure.
Kung Pumore.
Well. Kong sure.
Kung Pure.
Kong Tibet mare. Kong Tibetan re. Kong pepa. Pepa. You can add just pa after the pe. It becomes Tibetan. How goes ma? Kong pepa re. That's Kong pene repe.
Kung Pupare. No, hang on. Sorry. Did you say another one?
Yes.
I can't see the arrow.
Pene repe.
Kung Pare. You're asking me again.
Kong pene repe. Kong pene repe.
Kung Pupare.
Yes, I know, but I'm asking Kong pene from Tibet repe. Kong pene repe.
So Re. Re. Kung Punere.
That's it. Finish.
Okay.
How goes ma? Re. Kong pene re. So two way of asking question. Kong kane re. One way of asking. From where? One way of asking. Kong pene repe. Is she from Tibet? That's it.
Right.
How goes ma? And your answer will be re. Kong pene re. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
If I ask you, Kong Kathmandu ne repe.
I say Kung Pumare. Kung Kathmandu Mare.
Kathmandu ne.
Ne Pere. Ne Repe. Sorry. Ne Repe.
That's question.
Ne. Sorry. Kung Kathmandu Mare.
Ne.
Manere. Or ne Mare.
That's it. No problem. Repeat after me. Kong Kathmandu ne mare. You missing ne after the Kathmandu.
Okay. Thank you. Kung Kathmandu Ne Repe. Ne Mare.
That's it.
Ne Mare. Ne Mare. Ne Mare. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I'm
No
dyslexic.
problem. You
Very
just have
muddled
to
up.
say it 2-3 times, it will be okay. Agos
Thank
nga?
you, thank you,
Okay?
thank you. Did you hear?
No problem. Hmm? So when you say Hong Kathmandu Mare, that's wrong. You are saying she is not Kathmandu. If you say Hong Kathmandu Me Mare, that means she is not from Kathmandu. Agos nga? Hmm? That's it. So you see, one missing ne can change the whole meaning. Agos nga? Hmm? That's it.
Oh, thank you. Did you?
No problem. Hola, so tujiche. Tineya Adam la inda Adam la. Adam la kongsure.
Kong Elizabeth II Ray.
Alelele. Lasso lasso. Kong North Korea ne repe.
Mare. Kong North Korea. Ma.
Missing
Nere.
something.
Manere.
Huh. Ne should be always after the place. Korea
Okay.
ne. Kathmandu ne. Pho ne.
Okay.
Yanker sungtang.
Uh,
Kong Korea
Kong
ne repe.
Kong Kong Korea ne Mare.
That's it. Kong Korea ne mare. Kong kane re.
Kong Inji Land Re
Uh-huh.
Nare.
Where you will put the ne?
Okay.
Uh-huh. Let's try that again. Yanker sungtang. Kong kane re.
Kong Inji Land Ne Re.
That's it. Akosunga. So instead of inchi land, you can say in yul. In yul. Akosunga.
In Yule. Okay, like Bayou.
That's it. That's it. Yul
In
is like a
Okay.
country. Akosunga.
Yeah.
Hmm?
in
In yul ne re. That's it.
in
In Yule Ne Re.
That's it.
Did you say
in
No problem. Adam la pe akosungsong tujiche. Hmm? So let me write it down here so it will be easier. Akosunga. Hmm? Oh, we have a lot of notes. Okay. Oh. So our question is Kong Kane is the question. Kane. Akosunga. Ka is where, ne is from. Together from where? Akosunga. Hmm? Kong Kane Re. That's one way of asking question. So when you answer, just change the ka to answer. Everything else is same. Very easy. Look at here. Ruba. I will say kong pö. Instead of ka, I write pö. Then everything else is same. Kong pö ne re. That's it. See? Very easy. How goes one? Kong kane re. Kong pö ne re. Now, this is using actual question word, kane, from where, and asking question. Now, another way of asking is, isn't it? Is he? Isn't she? Ruba, that how we will ask. Ruba, kong pö ne repe. That's it. You see, it's same. Kong pö ne re. Kong pö ne re. Just add pay, become question. Is he? 하고승아, 공변해를 pay. Like this. Answer will be same. 공변해래. That's it. If he is not, then you say 공변해 말해. 공변해 말해. 공 카트만두네 래. or 공 벨유네 래. 공 일본네 래. Anything. 하고승아, we see here. Now if you see here repe is he. Now make it negative. Isn't he? Very easy. 마레페. That's it. 공변에 마레페. Answer will be same. If he is, 래. 공변에 래. If he isn't, 마레. 공변에 마레. 갸카르네 래. 인디아네 래. 봐봐. 벨유네 래. 네팔네 래. 아리네 래. 아메리카네 래. Anything. 하고승아? So I have shown you here how I ask the question and how we need to answer it. 하고승아? If you notice, 네 is always after the place here. And when you translate English in the mind and try to speak, it will make mistake. The reason why I'm telling you is, in English, 네 comes before Tibet, from Tibet. But in Tibetan, it's upside down. Tibet from Redwa. You have to do it from bottom. From Tibet. 하고승이. So that's it. 빼고 송송. 공변해레스. 빼고. 그렇지. Then we have also learned before di karere. Don't forget it. 하고승아. Di karere. Kare as a what? Di karere. Te karere. Okay? Di and te. Then on top of it, we already know one easy question. Hong Sure. That's it. Hong Sure. Answer, very simple. Hong, change the su to answer. Hong Adam Ray. Yeah. Hong Adam Rays. Just like this. How goes ma? Okay. Hola, so. Tujiche. We will continue. Tene Ruyunla in Ruyunla. Tashidelek. Ruyunla Tashidelek Kongsure.
동대마리?
Anything you can say. Kongpemare. Very good. Kongkanere.
동퍼네레.
Ale. Kong Nihonne Marepe.
동일본의 말에.
Full answer. Kong Nihonne Mare.
일본의 말에 공퍼네레.
That's it. Peago. Peago song. Rest of us can also practice. Hagosma in the mute. Try to answer. Peago song. Then, if you remember, we learned kaki as a question. Which one? Raba? Hanko kaki. Pönere. Then when you are answering, you have to point it out. Hanko di pönere. Like this. Ruba? That's it. Okay, don't worry, it will come again and again. 하고서 올라서. Oh, internet is a little bit slow. 올라서. Dine sonam dolkarla inda. Sonam dolkarla. Today we will learn one very easy question. Ruba, can you read this? Sonam dolkarla.
대부 윤 옌
Yin.
대부옌패.
That's it. Depo yin pay. That's it. How goes nga? Okay? Very
오케이.
clear. The answer will be depo yin or depo min. Ruba, depo yin. Depo yin pay. Ruba. That's like how are you in English? How goes nga? Depo yin pay. How goes nga? That's it. Then your answer will be Depo impe, depo yin, or depo min. Opposite of yin, min.
Miss not well.
Really? Not well. That's it. Depo, fine, comfortable. What? Fine, comfortable. Depo. Agos nga? That's when you're comfortable, you are relaxed, you are fine. What? Agos nga, tiwa sapa. Depo impe, sonam drogala. Then how would you answer?
대부옌
That's it. Just you can also add the pronoun nga tepo yin.
나 대부인.
That's it. Same as nga sonam dalkar yin. Same. How goes
Okay.
nga depo yin. That's it. How goes nga?
교수님.
Pego loson. Oh, las.
Depo yinpe.
Okay, now here a conversation between Pu, son, and Ama. Pu Tang Ama. How goes nga? Hello. Like this. Ruba, khabar lage shigi Ruba. That's it. So let's practice reading. Ruba, Pedro la puin. Agos nga. Neya, fang la din. Lorona, let's try.
Hello. O ama o ama lak o ama lak de pu in pe.
That's it. Oh, amala, depo impe. Like this. Ruba. So we Tibetan, we have this habit when we start speaking on the phone. Oh, Amala, this, like, we have this culture of saying. Also, when we send voice message, oh, Trashidele, Depo Impe, like this. This oh has no meaning, but it's extra. That's it. Ineya dilorona.
Ama, depoin.
That's it. Or you can say nga depoyin. Or ama depoyin. Ruba, when you say. So, two way of saying nga depoyin, I'm fine. Or ama depoyin, your mother is fine. Something like that. Agos nga. But nga is more common. Diba? Nga depoyin. Diba? Agos nga. Oh, amala. Depoyin pe. Oh, ama depoyin. Like this. Agos nga. That's it. Yeah. So we learned today new word. Depo impe, sunam ragala, depo impe, royun la, depo impe, Adam la, depo impe, Ion la, depo impe, Imogen la, depo impe. Like this. Dawa la, depo impe. Roa? Pe son. Okay. Now instead of amala, you can say, oh, Pedro la, depo impe. Like this. Oh, Parmeshri la, depo impe. Roa? Like this. Fail. So luck is like a respect. Very common respect.
One question. What's the meaning of ama? Ama? I didn't get it.
Oh,
In the beginning.
mother.
Okay.
Mother. Ma, ama, mother. So ma is the mother. Ma. You can only say ma, also mother. Is the root of everything. That's it. So when you say ka, nga, cha, it is always there. Agosna, whatever you say. So that's why I'm saying it's root. Agosna. Ta'ama, agosong. So here we have some questions and answer crisscross. Agosna. Let's first read all the question and then all the answer, then we will exercise. Ruba? Ya, dawala yin, dawala, trashidelek. Dawala, depo impe.
Nga depoin.
Laso, tujiche. Then dawala, diloronan. Ya, tiwa.
Mo sure.
Yeah.
Mo sure.
Mosure, mo, as a pronoun for female. Agosunga, specific. When you say kong, no gender specific. For both, you can say. Now more specific. Female. Mosure. Ruwa. That's it. Any?
Can you see? Sorry. Koran kanere.
Peago. Korang kanere. Now, when you say koh, is male pronoun, gender specific. Now here, you can also hear mo. Instead of mo, you can say morang. It's a full form of mo. Agosuna. That's it. Morang. Now here you see korang. Also full form of ko. You can also just say ko kanere or korang kanere. That's it. Agosuna. That's it. Pero. Korang kanere. Pero loto. Tene dilorona.
Peone repe.
Pero. Pene repe. Like this.
Peone repe.
Please listen to the question and keep in mind. Ruba? Tene di?
Depoin pe.
Pero. Tepo impe. Tene di?
Depoin pe. Moran kanere.
That's it. Mo kanere or morang kanere. That's it. Agosma, all the question. Nimala tujichi peyagulo song. Tene ya pamishiri lainda. Let's try reading all the answers. Ruba?
Kurang
Uh-huh.
kurang Bonere.
빼요.
Bonere.
코랑
Morang.
네. That's it.
Morang Ari nere. Ari.
빼요. Very good. 아리 아메리카 하고서 뭐랑 아리니 레 빼요.
Yin nga tepore. Tepo yin.
That's it. So this is like saying, yes, I'm fine. Like this. Instead of just saying, I'm fine.
So with the expression yin nga tepo yin.
That's it. 인, 나 대보인. Like this. Put some feeling. 하고서 빼고 올라오서.
Yin nga tepo yin.
되네 디?
Mo homore.
하모. 에살 하사.
Hamo. Hasa. Mo hamore.
빼고 뭘 하모래 or 뭐랑 하모래.
Hamore. Repo ni re.
Keep some gap after this. If you see this one, it's the end of the sentence. How goes ma? Let's try.
Re. Po ne re.
That's it. Re. Pöne re. Like this. How goes ma? So we have read all the answer and all the question. Maybe we have noticed which question is belong to which answer. How goes ma? Tadi nganyigi fangfangla inda. Fangfangla will point out the answer and question. Fangfangla tiwa logrona question.
Mosure.
Mosure. Any answer?
Even hold on. Mosure. Hamore.
That's it. Mosure. Mo hamore. Peo. Very good. Ini ya fangfangla. Di?
Korang kanere.
Peo.
Korang penere.
Peo. Korang kanere. Korang penere. Peo. Ini?
Penerepe.
That's it. Penere pe.
Penerepe. Re, penere.
That's it. Re. Penere. Rwa. Peo. Ini?
Depo yin pe.
Peo.
Yin nga depo yin.
Peo. Ini?
Morang kanere.
Peo.
Morang ari nere.
Peo. Morang arini. Re. Ari. Agos nga fangfangla did very well. Peo che song tuji che. We go to the next page.
I have a question.
Yes, please, Pedro.
What is the rank? Korang, the rank, what is it?
So it will confuse you. Right now, take Korang as the full pronoun for third person.
Okay, thank you.
For male specific. If you really want to know rang, it's self.
Okay.
Korang, himself. Ngarang, myself. Kirang, yourself. So shortcut, you, I, him. Like this. How goes me?
Okay, thank you.
Now, kirang kong. Like this. Okay. Yeah, then 당 노일라인다. 다시 델렉 당 노일라.
다시 델렉.
당 노일라 다시 델렉 대포인베.
대보인.
빼요. 아니 딜로로나. Let's read this question.
Bra lapna 카레레.
빼고 라 lapna karere. That's it. Ruwa? So normally we will point at it. Ra lapna dire. Or you can act. Ra lapna me re. Ruwa? Whatever you wanna do. Ruwa? But here, new way of answering. You can say Ra labna animal re. Ra labna things re. Ra labna body part re. Whatever. Ruba? Hmm? So today we're gonna learn some new word. Ruba? Yeah, dang noila dilogro nang.
자, 랍 마레. 셈, 셴, 레, 파.
Rewa. That's it. Hmm? Very good. It is pa. But I will tell you the reason why it's wa here. How goes, na? Before that, we will hear chalak. New word. Things. Things. Like objects. Right? Copper, earphone, tape, new laptop. Right? Sangma. Things. Chalak. Now here we have sa, dengpo se, ma sa, sem. Cha, na chen. Sem chen. In spoken language, we will refer this to animal. Agosuma. In Tibetan Buddhism, Semchen, whoever has a mind. Sem, mind. Chen, who has it. Agosuma. So basically mean all Semchen, like this. So when you say Semchen Tamche, then it becomes all sentient beings. Right? Semche Tamche. Deva Deva shows. Right? Like this. How goes ma? The semchen. Normal talking animal. Like a key, dog, shimi, cat. Right? Ra, look, yak, pa. Sangma, semchen re. How goes ma? That's it. So we have here chalak, semchen. Okay? We will also learn here lu, body. How goes ma? You have heard this, maybe Lu Nga Yi. Right? Body, mind, and heart. Not speech. That is my way of saying. I don't say speech and mind together. For me, they both are same. Whether you say mind or speech. So Yi, I will refer to heart. Body, mind, and heart. So here we are learning Lu, body. That's it. So for body, we have already learned some word sa, mik, like this. We also learn go, like this. In Semchen, we learn some word ra, yak, look, like this. Pa. Then me. Me human. Me. Ama, Chocho, Acha, Pu, Pumo, Puku. Then we can also name Swam Dokar, Adam, anything. Then we have Chalak, Agosma, Rainda, Toksam Jondar Chigiin, Melamin, Melamla, Tashidelek.
Testilila.
Oh, melamla tashi dele, melamla di lorona, di karire.
Mau ganarugo.
Go labna. Chala re, semchen re, mi re, lu re, karire. Go labna karire.
Lire.
Go labna.
Go labna lire.
Peago son. Go labna lure.
Lire.
That's it. Raba? Go labna lure. Antene, di karire.
Na.
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 Because of the superscript, it became higher. Na. Raba?
Okay. Na.
Na. Labna karire. Melamla.
Na labna lire.
Peago. Na. Labna lure.
Lire.
Those who don't know, knows. Goes na. Peago son, tujiche. Tene melamla di karire.
Ago.
Di tang. Di. Dadang. Chikpa repe.
Jadang chikpare.
That's it. Very good. Whether it's prefix or superscript, effect is same. Right? Go. Dadang chikpa is peago. And melamla di. Go labna karire.
Go labna chalakre.
Peago. Chala is tuk. Ding dong. Right? Door. Go. Goes tujiche melamla peago song. Tujiche. Lasso. Tene, ya Mariana la tashi de lake.
Tashi de lek
Tashi de lake Mariana la depo imbe.
nga depoin be.
Mayang depo in tujiche. Lasso ta Mariana la inda. Mariana la di karire.
Di kare.
Ka labna karire.
Ka lapna lure.
Peago ka labna lures. Ka. That's a mouth. Agosma. Peago son. Tene di karire.
Di lakpare.
Lakpa labna karire.
Lakpa lapna lure.
Peago lakpa. Lakpa chik, lakpa ni. I have only two hands. Raba? Lakpa ni, lu. Tujiche. Mariana la peago son, tujiche. Ya, tene Mariana la di karire.
Di chochore.
Chocho labna karire.
Chocho lapna mire.
Peago, mires, brother. Agosma, chocho. But any male, you can just say cholak. That's a pronoun. Chola, tashidelek. Any male person, if you wanna call. Cholak, tashidelek. Like a pronoun for any male. For female, we also say achala, tashidelek. Achala, tashidele. If you don't know the name, then you say chola, achala, like this. But chocho, brother. Pero son chocho, mires. Tene mik, karire, Mariana la.
Mik lapna lure.
Pero mik, hagosma, very easy. We already know this. Mik, labna lures. Tene di.
Di pumore. Pumo lapna mire.
Pe ako. Pumo lapna mires. That's it. तुझे छे Mariana la.
Yeah.
Tene yon la inda. Yon la di karire.
Đi lúc lệ.
Look labna karire.
Lúc lập na. Xem trên lệ.
Pe ako look labna semchen re. Pe ako losto. Di karire.
Đi. Đi thép lệ.
Pe ako tep. Tep labna karire.
Thép lập na. Chạ lắc lệ.
That's it. Chalak re. Here. Tep. Ako nga book. Ruwa. Pe ako losto. Pu. We already know. Ruwa. Tene di lo ta. Ya. Di karire.
Đi dắt rệ.
Pe ako. Yak labna karire.
Dắt lập na. Xem trên rệ.
Pe ako. Yak labna semchen re. Pe ako song song. Di karire yon la.
Đi. Ha, ha, à, Kappa.
That's it. Very good. Take your time. Kapar. Ruwa.
Kapal.
Kapar.
Kling kling. Đi kapal lệ.
Ako song. Kapar labna karire.
Kapal lập na. Chạ lắc lệ.
That's it. Kapar labna chalak re. That's it. Pe ako song song. Ruwa. Yon la tujiche. We are doing very good. Tujiche.
Chê chê.
Hola so. Teni pa shapkyu pu, ka shapkyu ku, puku chung chung, kit. Ruwa. Adam la inda. Adam la. Puku labna karire.
Puku lapna mire.
Pe ako puku labna mires. Di karire.
Di kurre.
That's it.
Di kurre.
Kur. Hagosunga kur.
Kur lapna jalakre.
That's it. Kur labna chalak res. Those who don't know, kur, tent. Hagosunga. Nomad has tent. Ruba? Kur. Ruba? Pe ako loson. Tine di karire.
Di kangpa. Re.
Kangpa.
Kangpa. Re.
Ruba?
Kangpa. Oh, I've forgotten.
Right now,
Kangpa lap.
in the Kangpa. Ruba?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Kangpa lapna jalakre.
That's it. Kangpa labna chalak res. Adam la. Kurthang Kangpa. Chikpa repe.
Mare kur tang kangpa jikpa mare.
That's it. Pe ako song. Ruba? Kangpa as a house. Okay? It's not home. It's a house. Ako totally different between home and house. Ako that's it. Tine dilorona Adam la.
Di bu re.
That's it. Di bu re. Di karire.
Di pu re.
Di tang di tradang chikpa repe.
Di tang di jik tradang jikpa mare.
That's it. Pu bu. Bu labna karire.
Bu lapna semchen re.
That's it. Semchen. Ruba? 부. 이거? Any 부. 하고, Dini diloro na, edonga.
Ti achak.
Achak labna karire.
Achak lapna mire.
That's it. Chocho. Achak. Hago, achak. Then you can also use achala for female if you don't know the name. Hago,
Achala.
achala, tashidele, kerang kane yin.
Okay.
Kerang
Okay.
Kathmandu ne yimpe. Whatever I said here, we all know what it means. Riba? We already learned this sentence. Achala, debo yimpe, kerang kane yin. Kerang
Where are
Kathmandu
you?
ne yimpe.
Tujiche.
Tujiche Adam la, ya wo song song. Tene imogen la inda, imogen la. Let's practice some pronunciation. Riba? Di karire.
Dikare.
Dikka mare, di karire. Ka.
Ka. Dikare.
That's it. Riba? The ka as a category. If you say ka, we realize it's ha category. Agos na? Pero. Hola, so dikare.
Dikare.
Soft ka.
Dikare.
Ka. Dikare.
Dingare.
Di.
Dicare.
Pero. Di.
Dicare.
Pero. Di.
Dicare.
Ta.
Dicare.
Di.
Dinare.
Di.
Dipare. Dipare.
Pa. Soft.
Pare. Dipare.
Di.
Dimare.
Ma. Riba? I give in the previous class this one pa. Even our Tibetan people don't pronounce it well due to habit. Of course, even also due to translation. Because of the translation, they say bardo. It's not bardo, it's partho, soft par. Of course, partho. And I have seen many people saying bardo. It is not ba. It is pa. Agosna partho. It is also not do. It's tho. Soft. Partho. Wah. Para par. Tha naro tho. If you look at it, I never use prefix or superscript. That's why it is not ba or da. When you use prefix or superscript, then it becomes ba or da. That's why. So keep in mind when you are reading a category, ah, ah, not ga, da, ba, not like this. From starting, we have to build right habit. Ka, tha, pa, like this. Then we have ya, ra, la, sa, ha, ah, like what? Perdo, tudice. Tudice. So Here, this is our note, okay? If you want to practice anything, go to this link. I use this only for our class, this page. Agosma. So here in category, we know this category doesn't change sound when there is a prefix or superscript. Agosma. Also, this category doesn't change sound. Only category change sound. When do they change sound? When there is a prefix or superscript, or both of them at the same time. Doesn't matter. Effect is same, whether there is one of them or both of them. And the sound changes to two types. One higher, one bolder, more bass. Higher, I will show you example here. Ma becomes ma. Na becomes na. Just before we learned sa natak na. Na. So just like this, nga becomes nga, like this. These are some examples of higher, sound changes to higher. Now bolder, tha becomes da, ka becomes ga, pa becomes ba, karata tra becomes dra, tarata tra becomes dra, parata tra becomes dra. How goes nga? That's it. After the class, I will send some reading practice. Please do read them, practice them. If you don't know the pronunciation, have doubt, ask in the group. Our friends can answer. I can also answer. That's it. That's all.
Tensila,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Superscript, there are only three letters, sa, ra, and la. Why lapa, there is a sa, lapa, our friend.
What do you mean? Sa, ra?
There is a superscript that is not included in three letters. Can you explain?
You mean Sango, Rango, Lango? Yes, you are right. There are only three types of superscript. Is that the question?
Our friend Lapa, you know?
Hakpa?
There is a C, sa superscript. Sa la tak, and pa, that mean moon.
Salatala, like this, you mean?
No, sa, not sa.
Okay. Salapta da.
Yeah, and pa.
Palatala. So don't confuse. This sa and pa is not a superscript. Instead, this la is underscript. We didn't come to this yet. Okay. That's it. On the superscript, we have only three letters. Okay. Those are sa, ra, and la. Now that you know how to say head, go, go. So their full name is Sango, Rango, Lago. That's it. Sahead, Rahead, Lahead. How goes now? Sango, Rango, Lango. That's how we name them, the superscript. Only 3 of them. How goes now? Okay. Till now, on the
Also.
superscript, we have already learned all the superscript. And the underscript, we only learn ratak right now. How goes now? We only learn ratak. Ka, ratak, tra. We only learn this one. This one. Underscript. Then later we will also learn underscript la and ya. They are also bottom 3, top 3. That's it. So we will learn through when it comes. How goes on? That's it. Only you won't la. We will learn this soon. How goes on?
Che.
That's it. So before, if you remember, there is a word like this. Ra dengbo re tha re pa. And one of us read re pa. But this is not pa. We read them as a wa. Wa. Why wa? Because if the pa is the second syllable or the third syllable, we read them as wa. New rule. If it's the first syllable, starting pa ka pak, la dengbo le pa lep, pak lep. At that time we read pak lep. Now, if it's second syllable, for example, ka, pa, but we don't read pa, we say wa, kawa, like this. Now here, ra dengbo re tha re wa, rewa, like this. So we will also today learn this, rewa, how to use this. We already know repe as a question. Is it? Now, see, I just said rewa. That's the same rewa. Rewa means it is, right? Like a confirmation. Rewa. Like this. Confirmation. Oh, Adamla, di kapar rewa. Like this. Rewa. Confirmation. I'm looking for confirmation. Then Adamla will say, re, di kapar re. Then I'm confirmed, clear. That's it. So that's what it means. Rewa, like, isn't it? Rewa. Lasso, confirmation, like this. Holas. Somehow, due to very bad internet, it is not loading fully. Okay, so I think that's it. Our time is also finished. Rewa. Ani tujiche, thank you.
텐승아,
That's
나도
okay.
좋아요.
Yes, please.
좋아요.
주지체, 가르시.
We know that we can use cho to call any male which name we don't know.
Yes,
But
yes.
if I do know the name, for example, his name is Nima, and I want to use it together, which form I must to use? Chocho Nima or Nima Chocho?
Just say one cho at the beginning. Cho nimala. Cho dawala. Like this. Ruba. That's good question. So, Tujichi, Rashid Delek, thank you very much. Boom boom, shagalaka. Lasso.
So
Dashi Bum Bum. Isn't it?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Lasso, Tujichi.